Good morning, everyone. We are going to start our second chapter, which is matter around us pure? All the matter around us is not pure. If we observe some sugar and some soil placed on two different sheets of a paper with a magnifying glass, we will find that the color, shape, and size of all the particles of sugar are the same, but the soil contains particles of different colors, shapes, and size. For example, the soil contains clay particles, some grass particles, and even some dead insect, etc. Now, sugar which contains particles of only one kind is called a pure substance. So, the matter around us is of two types: pure substances and impure substances. First, we'll talk about pure substances. A pure substance is one which is made up of only one kind of particles. Pure substance is one which is made up of only one kind of atoms or molecules. For example, sulfur element is made up of only one kind of particle, which is called sulfur atom. Next, elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, silicon, etc. These all elements are made up of only one kind of particles. Similarly, all the compounds such as water, carbon dioxide, sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid are also pure substances. They are also made up of one kind of particles. One kind of particles means pure substances. So here these pure substances are also divided into two parts, which is elements and compounds. Next one is impure substances. A mixture is one which contains two or more different kind of particles. Particles here in the form of atoms or molecules. A mixture contains two or more pure substances mixed together is also called impure substances. For example, milk is a mixture of water, fat, and protein, etc. So these are come under impure substances. Sugarcane juice, soft drinks, gold, rocks, minerals, petroleum, LPG gas, biogas, tap water, tea, coffee, paint, etc. This all are comes under impure substances. This impure substances only divide into one part, which is mixture. Now we'll talk about elements. An element is a substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by the usual chemical methods such as applying heat, light, or electric energy. For example, hydrogen is an element because it cannot be split into two or more simple substances. Same as oxygen is also an element because it cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical method. An element cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances because it is made up of only one kind of atom. For example, copper metal is made up of only one kind of atom called copper atom. Similarly, iron metal is made up of only one iron atom. So this is also a element. There are 118 elements now at present, out of which 94 elements are found in nature, while the remaining 24 elements have been prepared artificially. Every substance in this world is made up of one or more of these elements. Elements may be in the form of solid, liquid, or gases. Elements are divided into three parts, which is metals, non-metal, and metalloids.